So we officially left Guinea Bay, the Pamela people. It's a bit sad.
Yeah, it's very sad. Feels like been there so much longer than we have, like really made some really nice connections with the community.
And they're all like, we really love you and miss you and really hope you come back. And yeah, so it's a bit hard to leave, but also it's still the start of our adventure, so we gotta keep going.
We're gonna head out to the barrier again, another cool spot. It's really unique on the satellite imagery. Yeah, so check that out for a few days.
And meant to be really calm weather, so be perfect and nice to have a bit of alone time, bit of space as well.
Yeah, excited for what's to come.
Yeah.
To go to the barrier, but the wind was just not right direction, and yeah, so it just wasn't safe to stay there the night. So we ended up sailing a lot further than we thought. We're still sailing to another island, or small sand cay called Kokoluba Island. Apparently only used for like fishing, picnics and trying fish, so hopefully we got the place to ourselves still, but we will see, because that's very rare.
Yeah, another accidental long day of sailing. It just gets you thinking a lot and reflecting on what we've already been to, and yeah, it was a bit harder, I think, leaving this last village. I felt like they got a lot more emotional. It's not very common for people to come out and visit Papua New Guinea or to visit these islands. It's a bit unclear because sometimes things get lost in translation when the last yacht visited this last village, but it was either 2018 or possibly 2015. So it was a long time ago, and it's really not common for them to see a yacht. So when they do, when they see dim-dims or white people, they get really excited, and then they get equally very sad when we leave, and it's got to be hard for them, especially when like that's one of their biggest resources is us dim-dims coming and giving them things they need and stuff like that. So yeah, hopefully our videos are going to show people how amazing this country is and the people, and if you're smart about it and you do your research and speaking to locals or speaking to fellow sailors, knowing where to go, it's not dangerous, but there are very dangerous areas to go.
Hey guys, welcome to Once Upon a Reef channel. We're Ryan and Poppy, a couple of adventure junkie sailors out to explore the most amazing reefs and islands in the world.
We hope by documenting everything this lifestyle encompasses that we will inspire, raise awareness, and support ongoing research to do our part in protecting these natural life systems. Subscribe if you're on board, and come sail away with Skateaway.
We've just woken up to our new home for the next few days. Once again, we navigated in here during the night, which I know you shouldn't do, but we really didn't have much of a choice, as our first anchorage didn't work out and we ended up traveling all day. But we've woke up to some light showers, but a nice sunrise, and a beautiful little oasis with a rainbow coming out of it. So that's going to be a good sign. So we're going to move in a bit closer to the island, navigate around some reef now we can see. Yeah. Exciting. So we've just navigated through the reef to get closer to the island. Poppy's doing her stretches because she's throwing her back out. Oh, look how clear this water is. I don't know if you can see on here, but it's clear.
So we are off exploring with our kayak.
Yeah, there's a few little sand caves here with a bit of vegetation, and they're pretty close together. So we're going to see what's about on the island, what we find.
Yeah, and this incredibly clear blue water,
Yeah,
reef all around.
Yeah, the colors are crazy and different blues.
And we're the only people here, which feels a bit like a luxury.
Yeah,
So
very
exciting.
strange.
Yeah, it is strange at the same time.
First place we've been with no other people.
Yeah.
Close your eyes, hear the voice within calling. This heavy load got under your skin. Hauling, you got the white knuckles holding on it tight, keeping your feelings bottled up inside. Heading for collision in the night. To really live, you gotta die. Breathe in, breathe out. Hey, come alive. Breathe in, breathe out. Look at the colors, colors, colors. Right. Moments pass, make this one count. Untie. You're so good at dragging yourself down. Why? Well, there ain't much time left to figure things out. Deep underneath all the laser, your doubts. There's a heart gone out of rhythm and despair. Held underwater, fine for it. Breathe in, breathe out.
This is so nice! Oh my god, it's so clear!
So cool, a little channel in between the two islands. The current looks like it's raging through. There's so many birds all around. Amazing blue haze.
Yeah. This is like a tropical paradise. So nice!
I mean, it's pretty special here, just from the clarity of the water. It's just crystal clear. I guess because you have the like big, deep oceanic currents coming in and bringing all that fresh, clear water. Unlike a lot of places on the east coast of Australia, it's quite shallow, and therefore it gets murky much more often. So it's such a treat to have it like this. Even in these really remote places, or sometimes especially in the really remote places, you find lots of rubbish. This stuff here seems like it's been a bit of a channel point where it all collects kind of back eddies, but the other parts, I was collecting the rubbish at first, and then we realized that it was mainly, or nearly all of it, was either shoes that you can wear or bottles that we found, like small shells in some of them, like collected, and no other form of rubbish. So then we were thinking maybe they're used for collecting different shells to then hold them. So much rubbish. Plastic bottles all the way through to the bird nest. Heaps of shearwater nests. These holes in the ground.
Yeah, you can smell it. Smells like bird in here.
Smells like bird.
Ooh, I can hear you. It's like
The pigeon, PNG pigeon.
You can tell that locals have been here because they'll often do these little writings on the trees.
So I made this up yesterday because I caught a fresh trevally just on the reef out front of the island here. Brought it in, cooked it up whole, and it came out so good. So today we're going to use a lot of that meat, which is already cooked, and we're going to cook some potatoes and a few little things and mix it together and make fish cakes. And like yesterday, we'll put some of the fresh greenery, like the bush cabbage, on top. So we'll go collect some over here. Collect together a bunch and we'll wash them in the ocean. One, to clean them, and two, to like keep them moist while we cook so they don't catch on fire. And they should hold a lot of the moisture in and the goodness. And taste the nice.
Like a bouquet of flowers.
Tradition of the Sudest people and their barbecues or picnics that they showed us. We put the racks in. I might make them real close together. So I've cut a bit of wood and split it down the middle to make tongs. Grab the potatoes off the fire. Inside this same branch, there's like this white stuff. I don't know if you can see it. It's like really like styrofoam. So I just scraped out some of that and put it between the two split bits of the branch. So then it springs back and like holds it open a bit. So then get your potato off the fire like that. Easy.
Nice.
Poppy's little greenery.
Well, I wanted something nice to
Some
sit
people
on.
have grass and lawns, and Poppy's got cabbage leaves.
I put all these leaves so I have something nice to sit on. I'm just peeling the skin off the potatoes, and then I'm dropping them in here, and then we'll mix it with some eggs. I think you're meant to have flour, but we forgot. That's alright.
And weirdly a banana.
And weirdly banana.
And then we'll fry it up on this plate that I got off our old barbecue. Mix of local produce and our own. Oh, what's that? Is that butter? Oh, banana.
Banana.
I was like, did you stick butter in here?
No.
Oh, that would have been such a good idea. Poppy's just kayaked back to the boat, so I'm just hanging out by the fire, trying to get the coals the right heat to cook up the fish cakes. Just let these burn down a bit to some coals. Yeah, just wanted to share, like, it's been so amazing watching Poppy like through her growth and learning everything on the boat, and now like navigating international seas, and yeah, it's just amazing watching the development, and because of these things, her becoming stronger and more independent and self-reliant, and you know, all around power mermaid. And I feel like we're getting that growth, both of us are feeling that, just from what we're learning here. So it's exciting to see with a bit more time how things pan out. Making up the patties.
So I went back to the boat and got flour because I just felt like after all this work, like, let's just get some flour. But the thing is, like, Brian and I have only made fish cakes one time, so we don't really know what we're doing.
We've never looked at a recipe
No.
and never been shown, so
Not really.
this is the result. Yeah, so many flies. Too stinky. So here they are, made up, cooking on the plate. You'd think we're cooking for, you know, a big group of people, but no, that's just me and Poppy. Yep. Just checking on here. Ooh, look at that. Woo! Ready for the shape from the restaurant?
Yeah. Voila! This is our restaurant style fish cakes. Just gonna use one of these leaves as a plate.
Look at this bush woman.
Yeah. Learning all this stuff from the PNG people.
Yeah, learning so much, hey?
And there you go, is our fish cake. Very good. Probably not the best fish cake I've ever had, but it's still pretty nice. It's got a really nice smoky flavor.
Interesting, because it's like a mix of different potatoes, so you get like little hits of really different flavor.
And these leaves are trying to keep the bugs off, but I don't know how well this is going.
Holy moly.
Yeah, get away.